Hi subs, my name is Ajit Gupta and you are watching mini Photoshop course. So this video is unique. This video contains a unique knowledge. This is not a simple copy and paste by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on your keyboard or by going through right click on your mouse and copy and paste. So without wasting much time, go to the topic now. Make a selection using marquee tool. Now press F3 and now F4. Now I can move this. Simple. If I have a selection now and if I press F2, now you can see that part of this image is cut now. And if I press F4, it will be on the center of the image. That's it. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe. And the king level thing is this, that don't forget to click on the bell icon. That is the main thing for me. So don't forget to click on the bell icon and share this video, comment on this, and I love reading your comments guys. I really love reading your comments guys. And don't forget to like my video, and if you can, share on the Facebook and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Ajit Gupta Creation. Simple. Bye bye. Thank you.